Hey everybody, this is coming to you from Querétaro, Mexico on May the 24th. And this is the Lord International Rubber Journey that's held at the Rica Hotel. This is the 5th time they're here. Lord's had this event for 7 years. RDAbbott's been in attendance in all 7 years, and we've actually been key sponsors over the last 6 years. We'll take a walk on inside. It's still early in the day right now, and we get ready in about a half an hour, so it's still kind of a light present. Come on in and welcome you here. Guillermo, hey Guillermo, say hi to the camera.
Buenos días.
Tommy's getting here ready to man the booth. Say hi, Tommy.
Howdy.
Here we are inside, just getting set up. So it's still kind of early. Folks are just starting to flow in, but they'll have all these chairs here full by the time we get started. Here we have some great folks at check-in. So would you like to say hi to the RDAbbott team?
Hi, RDAbbott.
All right, thank you. All right, hey RDAbbott, I'm here with our good friend Edgar Rosas, and you see Guillermo over there. So this is Edgar. Edgar, say hi to RDAbbott.
Hey, hello, RDAbbott.
All right, thank you.
Here's a look into one of the mini workshops for more hands-on experience. This is some rubber to substrate training that they had in one of the numerous classes, and coming up next we'll get a peek into Felipe's class where he did some extensive rheology training. This was really a great event. They had over 220 in attendance on the first day, and it really was an outstanding event. So many thanks to everybody.